Tawag ko malikot ah.
In the castle lived a king and a queen with two daughters. Princess Maria was kind. Princess Juana was greedy. They had everything. They had chests full of jewels. They had cabinets full of sweaters and dresses. They had shoes of gold and silver. They had sandals of many colors. Although Princess Juana had everything, she always wanted something more. One cold morning, Princess Juana was looking for something to wear. She looked in all the rooms of the castle, but there was nothing that pleased her. She picked up a beautiful sweater she had worn since once. "I'm sorry, old sweater," she said. Then she threw the sweater out of the window. It fell off the head of the burgher who was passing by. A clever man saw this happen. He had an idea. He went to the burgher. "I will buy that sweater for 100 gold coins," thought the burgher. The burgher said, "Now I have the money to buy food," thought the burgher. Then the clever man ran to the princess. "Look at this sweater, your highness. Is it beautiful? I bought this for my daughter." The princess did not realize that it's the same sweater she had thrown away. "What I love this sweater," she said. "I want to have it," the clever man said. "I'm sorry, you cannot have it. It's for my daughter." "I will have it," said the princess. "No," said the man. No one had ever said no to the princess before. She was mad. "Yeah," she screamed. "Now I will give you a chest full of jewels and gold," said the princess. "Just give me that sweater." Then she put on the sweater. It's the most beautiful sweater I ever saw. Everyone was happy. The clever man was happy. He became a rich man. The poor girl was happy too. She had more than enough money to buy food. But most of all, the greedy princess was happy too. It was the first time she had ever given anything up to get what she wanted.